Hello students, today we have teach about the alkenes. As you know, alkenes is a type of hydrocarbon having the unsaturation. It means it is also called olefins. Saturated hydrocarbons are called as alkenes and it's have a other name paraffins and unsaturated hydrocarbons known as olefins contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond by the alkenes. Alkenes have a general formula CnH2n where the value of n is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 onward, etc. Classified as generally these are classified as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Compounds with double or triple bond, carbon-carbon bond that enable them to add hydrogen atom. Alkenes have a sp2 hybridized. Alkenes are sp2 hybridized. For example, ethylene. Ethylene have a structure CH2 double bond CH2. For understanding of alkenes, we have know about the IUPAC name. IUPAC names which are used in the organic chemistry. So IUPAC means the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It is a union of scientists deals with the chemistry and decide the name of a new one compound which is discovered in the laboratory or elsewhere in the research work. So for the IPC purpose, we have first of all select a longest carbon chain. A longest carbon chain means it should contain number of carbons in maximum value. In the given example, the longest carbon chain contains 6 carbon atoms. It is also compulsory that longest carbon chain is the chain which also includes the double bond or the triple bond in that chain. Rule number two. Rule number two, name the compound uh, of the alkene according to the carbon name. Like as for carbon number one, meth, two, eth, three, prop, four, but, five, pent, six, hex, seven, hept, eight, oct, nine, non, or 10, dec. And the name of the alkene then we add the name of the alkene in that the number of name of the carbon atom. So methene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene, heptene, octene, nonene, decene, etc. Rule number 4. The number of the carbon chain of the parent compound starting with the end nearer to the double bond. We have already discussed that longest carbon chain is that carbon chain which contains the presence of double or triple bond, and the first carbon given, first number given that carbon where about the position double bond or the triple bond is nearby. Next type is the end of the chain is closed to the double bond or begins numbering here. So we can say the longest carbon chain ended by double bond or started ended by the double bond, or it started from where the double bond is nearby. Next IUPAC rule. According to the example given that the longest carbon, first carbon number is given that carbon which is contained by the which contains double bond. Double bond contained by the first carbon. Rule number 4. Branch chain and other groups are treated as in naming alkenes. Name the subsequent groups, designate its position on the parent chain with the number of carbons. IPC rules number next. The ethyl group is attached to the carbon number 2. It means the substituent group is attached to the carbon chain. The position of that carbon is known as the name of the substituent group. In the given example, we can hear the carbon contains the longest chain 8, that is octane. At the fourth carbon, a ethyl group is attached. So we can see 4 ethyl, 1 octane. 1 is mentioned here. Why? Why? Because the position of the double bond is present at first carbon. That's why we can say it is 4 ethyl, 1 octane. The next, arrange with the more than one double bond. If the chain contained by the more than double bond, then the carbon chains, the number of the carbon chains started from where the position of the double bond is nearby. In the aromatic carbon, from any carbon, we can start the number, primary number, that is 1. The IPs name in the benzene is 1357 cyclo octanane from the given example. And another example is 135 heptatriene because it contains the 3 triple bond. The another example of the iodine is 1,3-butadiene because it contains the double bond at first and third position. So 1,3-butadiene. Alkene as a substituent groups can be used in the IPS system. Alkenes named as substituents are called alkynyl groups. It can be named as systematically as ethynyl, propynyl, etc., or by the common names such as vinyl, etc., methylene, and phenyl groups. So methylene groups, methylide groups, vinyl groups, ethynyl groups, alkyl groups, to propyl groups are the name of the groups. Now we have discussed about the physical properties of the alkene. First of all, we can discuss about the boiling point and the density of the alkenes. Most physical properties of the most physical properties of the alkenes are similar to those alkenes. Example, the boiling point of 1-butene, cis-2-butene, trans-2-butene, and N-butane are close to 0 degrees Celsius. Densities of the alkene is around 0.6 to 0.7 gram per centimeter cube. Boiling point of the alkenes increases smoothly with molecular weight. Increased branching leads to the greater volatility and lower boiling points. Now we have discussed about the chemical properties of the alkenes. First, alkenes can be prepared by the following ways. That is, dehydration of alcohols. By the dehydration of alcohols, alkenes can be prepared. That is, RCH2CH2OH by the reaction of concentrated H2SO4 and gives RCH dolmon CH2 plus H2. Second, dehydrohalogenation of the haloalkenes. From the above example, if we replace halogen groups with the OH groups, then this reaction can be given. So in the product is same, RCH almost CH2, and the substituent is HX in the place of H2, where the X represent for the halogens. Set Jeff rule, which is the important rule, Regarding the properties of the alkenes, a reaction that produces an alkenes would favor the formation of an alkene that has the greatest number of substituent attached to the carbon double bond carbon groups. Dehydration of alcohols, that is CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH2. The reaction can be done by the two ways, in the presence of protons or in the presence of heat. In the presence of proton, it gives a 1 butene. In the presence of heat, it gives the 2 butene and the H2O as the substituent groups. Dehydrohalogenation of the haloalkanes can be done in the Sarjev rule. If we take 2 bromobutane and react it with potassium hydroxide alcoholic and reflects in an air condenser, then we can get 2 butene and 1 butene, where the 2 butene is the major product and 1 butene is the minor product. Now we have discussed at last reactivity of the alkenes. Alkenes are the more reactive than the alkanes because the carbon-carbon double bond consists of a sigma and a pi bond. It is easy to break the pi bond while the sigma bond. So it is more reactive. The pi electron in the double bond act as the source of electron. That is Lewis acid base concept. Alkenes are the reactive towards the electrophiles, which are attracted to the negative charge of pi electrons. Pi bond will be broken. Each carbon-carbon atom becomes an active site which can form a new covalent bond with another atom. One pi bond is converted into 2 sigma bond, and that property is known as functionality. It means functionality is the character by which any double bond is break down into a 2 sigma bond. It means opening of two bonding or acting sites. Have a good day. Thank you very much for this class.